Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is how to pitch. And in discussions about how to pitch, I want to talk about your mindset about winning or losing this pitch. So think about it from your customer's point of view. When they're seeing different people come in to pitch their services, and people are coming in with this mindset that they're going to win or lose. And I just don't think it's a very healthy way to go about growing your business. It's much better for the customer to hear you come in and say you want the customer to win. There's no losing that's going on. You want them to win, to have the best case scenario. I once worked with a client that through our preparation for a pitch, I was saying to them, if you don't win the business, be ready with this sentence. I'm delighted you've got what you've wanted. What are the key takeouts the other company offered so we can learn for next time round? And if you do win the business, don't go, wow, we've won. Just go, well, we're really glad that we've got this business. And as far as we're concerned, the actual hard work starts now about understanding you and where you want to go. And we look forward to working with you. And I think that mindset was really clear and they won that business. And when they did, they rang up and they said very calmly, well, we're delighted because as far as we're concerned, the real work starts now. And to help us, what was it actually about our pitch that you found of interest? And they said, you were the only company that came in and made it about us. Everybody else was determined just to win. And you're the only one that came and said, well, this is about you and about you getting what you want. We're going to share our business with you and our alignment with you and our goal for the next 2 or 3 years. We want you to care, and you were the only company that came in that we felt genuinely cared about us as an outcome and us working together as an outcome and not about you winning or losing. So consider that story, and when you go next into pitch, this is the thing to consider. Are you about winning or losing, or are you about your client winning? Because that will shift the questions you ask and your mindset going in. If you found this interesting, you want to share with a colleague, then do share. If you want to make a comment about a pitch that you've recently got, then put that comment below. And if you want to hear more tips on pitching and getting the business in and aligning with your clients, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.